In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make some money, nothing else by just using your smartphone. You use your smartphone for Facebook and Instagram, and I'm saying you, those people have a very strong thumb. All day they do this, and if their thumb have muscles, they will have a very big muscles. I'm saying you. Rather, use this part to make you some money. And today I'll be showing you the best 5 apps which I know that you can literally download today and start making some money. Alright, now before we start, if you're new to my channel is all about how you can become your own boss and live your life on your own terms. Now, if you're new here, tap the red button below with the bells on and join our community. So, without wasting time, let's hop into that first app. Now, I'm going all the way from 5 to 1. So, the 5th app I want you to install today is called Field Agent. Now, what is Field Agent? These are basically companies associated with Field Agent. What companies? Let me show you. Walmart, Coca-Cola, Hershey's, Nestle. So these companies are linked with Field Agent. They want people just like you to go around, let's say, restaurants, retailers, and see what they do, how they showcase their products, because these companies want to grow their business, and how they grow is basically copy what the competitors are doing and then just copy and paste in their business, and they can grow the business as well. So that's what you need to do. Let me show you how it works. So after you install the Field Agent app, they will show you a map basically around your area. And if you are in a big popular city, guess what? You will have more job opportunities. And if you are in small countries, unfortunately, you will have very less amount of jobs. So what you need to do is, when you are, this is basically for students, all right? They in the morning they go for school or college, and in the evening time they can use Field Agent to make some money. Now, by money I mean from on average $3 to $10. Roughly, you can get $20 per hour from Field Agent by doing almost simple tasks. So what Field Agent will do is, when you turn on the app, Field Agent will say you to go to this retailer and then click a photo of that product. It can be pastries, it can be books, like how they arrange the books in the shelves, or pastries, how they show the display the pastries, and stuff like that. Just click a photo from your smartphone. Now this doesn't require DSLR camera, nothing. Nowadays iPhones and Androids have very decent quality photos, so you don't need to invest anything like that. All right, smartphones is all that you need to do. So the Field Agent app will show you the places. You just need to go to that place, that shop, and take photos, and that's it, and give it to Field Agent. You will get paid. So that is very simple, all right? So that's number 5. So number 4 is what I call is FOB. Now FOB sounds a little weird, but that's basically thousands of companies out there need photos for the brands. Let me show you. Nivea, Volvo. So all these companies need photos to advertise in the brand. So what they do is, instead of hiring professional photographers and spending thousands of money, they are willing to come websites like FOB and then hire photos from here. So that's what you come in here. So if you are drinking a Coca-Cola, so you can take a professional photo. In the background, it made me clean, attractive. Let me show you some. Like this small guy holding chocolates. This is for traveling photos, and this is for hospitality. This is for shampoo. So you get an idea how you need to click photos professionally and take some time. All right, like I said, Androids and iPhones have pretty decent quality photographs. You don't need a DSLR to do this. You just with your phone, you can take photos professionally, and then if you are not to edit, that's an advantage, and then submit to FOB, and FOB has done those for you all the job. They have the platform, they have the reputation in the marketplace, they do advertising. So if the photo is $10, $20, if the company is interested in your photo, they will buy, and a small percentage goes to FOB. And I think that's totally fair, because they have the market reputation in the market, they do the advertising, all the stuff, and I think that's totally fine. So number 4 is FOB. Number 3 is, I'm still surprised that many people don't know that Google has a system of opinion rewards. That's basically doing surveys and then getting paid. Money can be from 10 cents, 20 cents, but many people have no idea about this Google opinion rewards. So that's basically a way Google improves the quality of the products and services, and just paying you 10 cents, 20 cents guess what, in the back end they are getting millions of money, because Google is very keen interested in how they can improve the products and services so that the user can have a better experience. So that's what makes them stand out. They don't know how the people think, so they want pick people randomly, that's you, to say them what they need to improve their products and services so that they can improve and they make some money. For that survey, they will give you some money. So that's number 3. So number 2 is Dosh. Now Dosh is a cashback app. It's an Android on Apple. Let me show you. You just need to sign up with Josh with your card, and for sign up they will give you some bonus as well. And then you probably, when you go for a restaurant, you go somewhere, you need to pay them. So why not paying instead of cash, pay to Dosh and then earn some cashback. Many people are using Dosh because they can get money, and guess what, the cashback can be given taken in your bank account as well, through PayPal, through bank transfer, and also you can use that cashback for future purchases, as you can see here. Transfer your cash. And the best part is they have an affiliate system as well. So if your friend signs up to your link and links his or her card, you get a $5 bonus. So so as you can see here, Pizza Hut, Mama Foods, Sephora, all big companies, all right. Many people using Dosh. Why not? As you can see here, blogger using, every time I use Dosh, I want to tell more people this app is no brainer. Now I have extra cash to do something awesome with my family. All right, there are thousands of people using Dosh, and guess what, you need to use it and make some cash back. And they are very keen in user experience, that they have everything done for you, from security, from user friendly, everything is done for you. SSL encryption, data safeguards, everything is done for you almost. Now that's number 2. Now before I give into the number 1 app, I want you to smash the like button below and show some love. That means I know that my videos help you to grow, to be your better self. All right. So the first app is called TaskRabbit. Now what is TaskRabbit? TaskRabbit allows you, now all the apps which I've shown, that doesn't require any prior experience or any skills like technical software, nothing like that. An average person, nothing with skills, can do it. So TaskRabbit is basically helping people moving the furnitures, as you can see here. Assemble a table, desk, mount a TV or mirror. So these are basically simple jobs which anyone can do. And if you have a free time, just go and hire, people will hire you on TaskRabbit based on what you put in. Like you can do a lift furniture upstairs, you can plant their flowers, office home delivery. There are multiple options out there, and you can see here, featured taskers. So these people are already connected with TaskRabbit, helping other people in doing their stuff. All right. As you can see here, don't just take our word for it. See how taskers are saving the day for people like you. They have medical testimonials. So this is a huge company, and guess what? Many people in America are hiring people from TaskRabbit because they have the money. They want you to shift from A to B, so they want to hire people like you to do that work for them. All right. So that's basically the 5 apps which I think is the most craziest one, which you can download it and make money with just your mobile phone. Now before I go, make sure you tap the red button below with the bells on, and subscribe to my channel, because I don't want you to miss out any videos, because this channel is all about how you can make some money online. And my wish is to put all the millions of ways, there are millions of ways to make money online, but my intention of this channel is to put as many as I can, so that you can pick which one you have, which one you can do, and start living on your own terms. So that's what this channel is about. So make sure before you leave to tap the red button below with the bells on, so that you get notified whenever we drop these brand new videos, so that you can start living your life on your terms. Now before I leave, as always, just keep going.